Hi guys, Happy New Year. Today I'm going to show you how to make extra crispy chicken tenders. This is similar to the fast food restaurant style chicken tenders. Restaurants use pressure fryers to get that very crispy chicken. Since we won't be able to pressure fry at home, I'll show you the next best thing. We'll be using a dry batter and wet batter for an extra crispy coating. Have a paper towel lined plate ready with a slotted spoon to drain the chicken. This recipe goes pretty quickly, so we can start heating the oil first. You want enough oil to deep fry the chicken. I'm using vegetable oil. All the ingredients are in a link right below this video. Put your clean chicken tenders in a bowl. We'll soak the chicken in buttermilk and hot sauce for a few hours or overnight. If you don't have buttermilk, pour regular whole milk into a cup. Add vinegar and let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it looks like buttermilk. Add hot sauce. Pour the buttermilk hot sauce mixture over the chicken. Mix well, cover, let the chicken marinate for 2 hours or overnight. For the dry mixture, we'll need all-purpose flour, garlic powder, salt, ground black pepper, paprika, and dried oregano. Whisk this really well. Now we need the wet batter. All-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, egg yolk. Add enough water to make a thick batter. Whisk until smooth. I marinated the chicken tenders overnight. Again, you don't have to do it overnight, just do it for a minimum of 2 hours. So we have the dry coating, wet batter, and a plate to set the chicken aside after you coat it. Take each piece of chicken and let the excess drip off. Use your other hand to coat the chicken in the flour. Let the excess drip off. And put it in the wet batter. Coat it in the wet batter. Let the excess drip off. See how nice and thick it is? Put it back in the flour. And set this aside. You can already see how crunchy the coating is going to be. Fry the chicken until golden brown. As you keep coating more chicken pieces, you'll notice the dry mixture starting to get lumpy, and that is a good thing, because all that creates an extra layer of crunch. You want to let the chicken rest for at least 5 minutes so the coating really sticks to it. You can see how the coating has stuck to the chicken. It's not going to shake off. To go with the chicken, sriracha mayo, all you need is mayonnaise, sriracha, and lemon juice. Taste and add a pinch of salt if you like. You can see how crispy the coating is on the chicken. Let the chicken rest at least 2 minutes before you bite into it because it's very hot inside. Extra crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. This is probably the closest you're going to get to a restaurant-style crispy fried chicken tender. Give this a try. You won't be disappointed. Let me know how you like this in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.